Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. In our previous video, I have shown you that how we'll design and analyze a concrete beam, and in this video I'll show you that how I'll design a column. So let's start. First of all, I'll open STAAD Pro, and from here select new project, project name, column design, click here space, foot, kilopound, and then press next, and here add beam, finish. So I'll use that grid. So from here I'll take a 10 feet. I'll take a 10 feet long column, then press here snap node or beam. So here, after that I'll give here a, sorry, I'll select here nodal cursor, and from here I will give here support. So I'll give her fixed support, create, fixed, and assign. So here I provide a fixed support, and close that. After that I will define materials property. So here I have to go here property page. After that define. So from, suppose I will consider a circular column, I'll take it, its diameter is 1 feet or 1.5 feet, then assign. Close that, close that. After that, as a beam take a load on here, so I will go here nodal cursor, I'll select that point, and I will give concentrated load here. So here go load case, add. First of all I will take self weight of it. Sorry, first of all I have to define for dead load. I'll only do it for dead load. Okay, then close that. Case 1, again go add, and here self weight y. Okay, add -1, and here member load, and here concentrated force, sorry, I will not give here member load, I will give here for nodal load. So for node I'll give value for fy -fy, so I'll give here -10 keep loads on it, then press add, then close. After that I'll use self weight on it, give her assign to view, assign. Okay, after that 10 keep, then click here, select the node and select it, and assign to selected node, assign. Yes, you can see that if we click here loads, you can see that there have a concentrated load of 10 keeps, and also there have a self weight of that column. After that I'll go here analysis, performance analysis, and no print. Okay, after that analysis, run analysis, then save. So they have no warning, no error. Then I'll go here, go to post processing mode, done. Okay, after that if we go for reaction, here is the reaction of, if we go here, select text here, we go here. So for column we have provided 10 kip slot and it's calculate its self weight of 2.657 kips. And after that if we go here FI, they have no share in FI. So FZ, if we click on object, they have no share on FZ. And if we go MZ, they have no moment according to MZ. So after that, and if we want to see the deflection, there are no, it's showing the deflection on it 0.02 inch deflection. I mean it's just reduce it height. So after that again I'll go modeling, after that I'll go design, and from here I'll select code. So for that, for concrete, after design you have to select concrete, then from here I'll select code, design code, then after design code we have to select parameter. From here press on it to select that. So select the tree, click on it, upper one, then click FC and FI main and press on and OK. After that define parameter, it's 0.125 as previous video, 0.125. so add it, then again add it, then again add it. FC prime, its compressive strength of concrete 576 keep per square feet, and you can change that value according to requirement, but you have to consider that its unit is keeps per square feet. Then FI add, you can change that according to requirement. After that select that and assign to view, select that, assign to view, again select that, assign to view, select that, assign to view, again select that and assign to view. After that go to command and from here design column. So add, close, select that and assign to view. Done. We have done everything that required for our column design, and after that I'll go for analysis. So that I'll go here, analysis, performed analysis, no print. Okay, then analysis, run, save. Okay, they have no error, warning or note. After here view output file, done. Here is our value for our concrete, and if we go here design, for design, if we go for design according to SCI code, location int SP, number of equation, here spacing, for spacing 8 inch, tie bar number, for spacing 8 inch spacing, tie bar, and 30 number, 13 4 bar. Here main bar are 13, number 4 bar. So if we close that and we can double click on it, and from here concrete design. So from concrete design we can see that our beam was like that, and here is the reinforcement for our concrete. According to ACI code, here is the requirement of reinforcement. I mean that is our value, and AS required 2.545 inch square, and its percentage is 1.022%. Bar size is 4 and number of bar is 13. So like that way we can design our column also. In this way we can design our column. So I think that was helpful for you, and if you think that that's helpful for you, press the like button so that I can understand that is really helpful for you. And they have many video about STAAD Pro, EDAPS, SDSM, and about many others software, so you can watch my video from my channel. So thank you very much. Stay well, stay connected till next video.